Oh my god. What do they want? I mean, as much as you've been texting me, I'm already up. Ooh, I mean, I don't know if I want to go. Ooh. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, get ready with me while I get snatched for this girl's brunch and get all the bottomless mimosas, you feel me? So I'm starting out with a bare face. I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Sandalwood. It looks a little bit light on camera, but actually, like, my skin is super oily, so it kind of oxidizes my foundation, so it will even itself out by the end of the video. So I'm not out here trying to look casket off or anything like that, you feel me? So after I put on my foundation, I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. Right now I'm obsessed with the Morphe eyebrow pencils. I like how they have like a dry texture. They glide right on super smooth. And I think I have like 3 or 4 colors from Morphe. I like to mix them together, but in this video I'm just using the chocolate lava color. I usually use chocolate mousse color. That's what it's called. I usually use Java, toggle between Java and chocolate mousse. So I'm just going back in, doing short strokes, filling in my scar. I know a lot of people use concealer to do their eyebrows and things like that. I'm not really one of those people. I don't like to use a lot of unnecessary products, especially because my skin is oily. I go in with my foundation and call it a day. So after I, do all of that, I'm just going in with my Morphe palette. Super obsessed with this 350 Basic Nature palette. Love all the warm browns and terracottas. My signature brown smoky eye. I don't really stray far from that. I'll do various shades. Sometimes lighter, sometimes darker. Right now I'm going for a very dark, foxy brown inspired look. So don't come for me. This is not like proper makeup technique. I just do what I do. I don't put any eyeshadow primers or anything on there. I don't feel like it. So I do lazy girl smoky eye. Swipe the color on, bottom and lower, eye line, and put some eyeliner on and call it a day. You feel me? Anybody got time for that? More power to those that do, but I don't. So after I'm finished my eyes, I go in with my contour. I do a couple layers of contour. So this is like that was my first layer of contour. And then I go back in and set my face. Just because I'm super oily, not even the Double Wear foundation can control my oil the way that I like it to. And because I'm going to brunch, we're going to be snapping it up. Girls trying to stay oil free for as long as possible. So I'm going in with my Morphe setting powder and just setting that in there. Setting the foundation so I don't get oily, but also, to continue to look a little more snatched, define that jawline a little bit. Corona virus, the pandemic has put a little bit of weight on your girl, so she's a little fluffy, so she needs a little bit of snatching. So while my powder is setting, I put my lip liner on. I just do a basic brown lip liner with a kind of taupey nude gloss on top. I didn't do a lipstick this time around because I'm going to eat it off anyway. So after I wipe the powder off, then I go back in with my blush. As y'all know, if you have been watching me for a while and the little makeup tutorials that I do, I am obsessed with NARS Exhibit A blush. It's like the most natural looking blush. It gives you a nice little flush. So yeah, so I put that on, finish it out with a frosted bronze highlighter. Gotta do the nose a little swipe across the eyes. Once it sets into my skin, like, it looks so beautiful. And that's pretty much my face. It's not too much to it. So now to the second most important thing. What am I going to do with my hair? So this wig I bought from Wiggins Hair. I'm obsessed with this. It came colored like this. Like, this wig got me feeling like Beyonce, okay? Oh no. And show me to keep my song. Let me stop. So, yeah, I love this wig so much. I'm gonna have to do a review on it for y'all, because, like, this wig is bomb. But anyway, I decided that I wanted to do straight hair because, like I said, I'm going for a foxy brown 70s inspired look, and for what I envisioned in my mind, I need straight hair. So I'm just going back in, straightening it out. Like, this is like, I don't have to tell you that I'm straightening my hair, as you can see, but look at how shiny and luscious this hair is. I have a 24-inch body wave hair, and it came with like the gold highlights, and like, girls, you can't tell me shit in this wig, okay? And just look at the hairline. Like, I'm getting better at the lace fronts, I think. I'm not a pro, but okay, I'm not a pro, but I'm getting there, so I'm gonna do a video on that. So yeah, this is the vibes for the day. I'm giving the kids monochromatic look, leather on leather, matrix, boom. You see the boot? You see the boot, girl? You see the boot? Yes, bitch. And because we're wearing a mini skirt, don't be ashy. Put the body glow on. Looking like a snack, okay? Not even a snack. I'm gonna get a whole meal. Look at me. Yes. So most of this stuff came from Zara, okay? Look at me. Top it off with the little snakeskin bag. I'm obsessed, and we're done. And now on to my favorite part. This is like the exclamation point to your outfit, okay? Perfume is everything. And I am such a, scent person. I'm obsessed with it. Perfumes really do have the ability to change your mood, uplift your mood, and spark, different types of emotions. I love it. So thank you to Dossier for providing me these perfumes to try out today. Now, if you haven't heard of Dossier, girl, you are missing out. Dossier is a company that produces high quality, premium, unisex scents, perfumes for the fraction of the cost. Many of them are starting at $29, and you have the ability to buy perfume and scents, and it's discounted. So I have the two scents that I have today. I have the Floral Musk, which is inspired by Lancome Idol perfume. I think I pronounced that right. And I also have the Citrus Neroli, which is inspired by Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino perfume. They smell divine. You really need to check them out, honestly. I'll leave all the links down below. Now to the last part of the outfit, hunty, is the glasses. I'm out here smelling good. I got my Dossier on, the Floral Musk. I got my hair straightened. I'm snatched, bronzed, looking like a leather-clad goddess. So, y'all have a great day, okay? I'm about to go get these mimosas.